Hi, welcome to Gracie's Goose. Today is Quick Fix Wednesday, and I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect egg and tortilla omelet. Have you ever made those omelets? You're all excited and you get it in the pan, it's all falling apart, it's flopping everywhere. Well, this is going to solve your problem. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, actually I have the spinach here, I have my ham all laid out, my couple eggs. So we're gonna take one small tomato and we are gonna cut nice thin slices here. I don't know if you could see how thin that is. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. So I'm gonna cut probably about 5 of these. Good. Okay, well, we're gonna set those here on our platter. Okay, so then we're going to, and I've already got my pan preheated on the stove on medium, because you don't want to cook these too fast either. Okay, so 2 eggs go in the bowl. Oops, no eggshells. And then we want a splash of milk. And then we're going to add just a little pinch of pepper, a little pinch of salt, and we're going to give this a nice whisk here. Make sure that's all beaten up good. This goes really fast too. You can make these for your guests. They'll absolutely love them. Okay, so we're going to let that set aside. And then we're going to grab a tortilla. And you want a pretty good sized tortilla because it's got to cover the bottom of the pan. You know, they have, oh, this one's ripped. Let me grab a different one. Okay, so we're going to grab a tortilla. And then we're going to take a little bit of butter or margarine, whichever you prefer. I think I've got margarine here. And we're just going to butter just one side of this. Doesn't have to be real thick or anything. Okay, we just want to make sure it's all covered. All right, and then we're going to take this margarine and we're going to put it in our pan. And we're going to let that coat the bottom. Spatula. And then we are going to drop in our egg. Let my whisk broke. Okay, and then we just want to give that a shake, make sure the whole bottom is covered. And then we're just going to let it sit there. And we're going to bring our ingredients over. Okay, and we're going to let all that egg just firm up. A little shake. Some of that egg run down. And then we're going to just loosen the egg a little bit from the sides of the pan. Just let it cook up nicely. And if you have your temperature on medium, you won't burn it. Okay, so just a little bit longer. See how there's still a little bit of liquid here on this side? Just want to let that kind of firm up. Just pulling your egg away from the sides, just like this. Okay, then when it gets to this point, you're going to take your tortilla, okay, with butter side up. And we're just going to plop it right on that egg. Get it as center as you can. Then we are going to take this and we're just going to give it a quick flip. And if that happens, you just want to spread your egg out. Okay, and then we're going to line our ham right down the center. Got 5 pieces here, so just want to spread it out evenly, just like that. Then we're gonna line our tomato also right over our ham. Oops, burnt my arm. Okay, so then goes our tomato. And then our spinach leaves are next. Going to go on top. And I had a few small ones here, so. Okay, and then next our cheese is going to go right down over the top as well, on top of your spinach. I like cheese, so I put a good amount on there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that cook up for a minute. All right, so you're gonna let it cook up just for a little bit. I'd say maybe 1-2 minutes, okay? And then you're gonna check the underside and see how that's nicely toasted. We're gonna lift this up and bring it over our egg and just kind of give it a little pat. Spin this around so you can flip your other side over. Which I probably should have done this first. You know what? Hold on. I did say it was gonna be perfect, so it has to be perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do that side first, and come back over, and give this a flip. There we go, just like that. Beautiful. You see how nice, oh, I'm gonna leave that on. You see how nice and golden brown that is? Okay, so then we're gonna plate this onto our platter here. And this totally will fill you up. As you can see, it's a very large portion. Okay, so what I like to do is my trusty El Pato sauce here, and just give it a drizzle of El Pato. And you can use whatever your favorite hot sauce is or whatever. This just happens to be something that I really like. And then I like to take a little bit of sour cream and just kind of give this a little squeeze onto the plate, just like that. And then we're going to take some green onion and we're going to give this a nice little sprinkle over the top. And there you have it. Perfect egg and cheese omelet. Your family's really gonna love this. If you like my recipes, please follow me and subscribe to my channel.